Gen III Hemi swaps are popular with Mopar lovers looking to outfit their classic ride with a modern power plant. One challenge of the Gen III Hemi swap is the location of the alternator on the passenger side of the engine. Holley has a solution for this issue with our Alternator Relocation Kit for the Gen III Hemis. The factory car-style accessory drive can cause interference issues with the frame rail in certain swap applications. Our relocation kit moves the alternator up and tighter to the engine for extra clearance. The Holley Alternator Relocation Kit works on Gen III Hemis with the factory car-style accessory drive systems and can be purchased in kit form, which includes the installation hardware and necessary components, or you can purchase them individually. The durable all-steel construction with black powder-coated finish will give you years of worry-free service and keep that engine bay looking good too. Our relocation brackets were designed for use with Holley alternators, which are more compact than most factory units. Since the alternator position has been modified, a longer serpentine belt is required. They're also easy to wire too. Holley alternators don't require the use of the factory Mopar ECU to excite the alternator. That means they can be used with most any engine management system, and they're perfect for use with our Terminator X, HP, or Dominator EFI systems. If you'd prefer to retain your factory Mopar alternator, we offer a bracket for that too. This bracket relocates the alternator up and slightly outward for extra frame clearance, and also requires the use of a longer serpentine belt. So don't fight it, relocate it with an Alternator Relocation Kit from Holley. Visit us at Holley.com for all your Gen III Hemi swap needs.